This home is a true nature lover's paradise. Nestled on a heavily treed and oversized 1/3 acre corner lot, you will see nature out every window. A new roof is in the process of being installed. The approximately 624 square feet, 11 feet 6 inches by 54 feet 3 inches Florida room adds to the usable living space and can be used for many purposes: office, gym, storage, playroom, or whatever best suits your needs. There is a pass-through kitchen/bar area that opens to Florida room. Garage has also been converted to additional living space not pictured, but can be converted back to a garage. Need some handyman TLC and elbow grease, but this home has huge potential. Convenient location just outside street Lucie West between Bayshore and Airoso, just south of Prima Vista.